Shelby and welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be checking out this 1970 Chevelle. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Come on up and check it out. This is one of the most recognizable muscle cars ever built by looking at the front end. It has a dual headlights and the iconic styling that the 70 is known for. This Chevelle has had a fresh restoration recently completed. As you make your way down the driver's side, I'm going to open up the door so you can get a better look at the interior. It's done in the classic black color scheme with the bucket seats and console. The seats are like new from the covers to the padding. Both door panels have been replaced and the new window cranks and handles were installed. All of the glass goes up and down with ease. The console houses the 4-speed shifter. Looking at the dash, we can see it has the round SS gauges and that the pad has been installed new as well. New carpet was installed along with new sill plates. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the back. The rear bumper was replaced along with the SS pad. You can also see that the trunk has an excellent fit and the gaps are even. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can get a better appreciation for this 70. The body is straight as an arrow down the sides and all the panels have a gorgeous fit. All of the body lines are near perfect and are showcased by the Tuxedo Black Paint. You can see that all the gaps on this Chevelle are even and symmetrical. The paint has been redone in base coat clear coat and has been wet sanded, buffed, and polished to a mirror finish. Every piece of glass on the 70 is gorgeous with seals and the weather stripping either being new or light matte. It comes with dual outside mirrors along with having wheel opening molding and new SS 454 emblems. To finish off the look, it's sitting on the 15-inch SS wheels with Firestone raised white letter tires. Now that we've been around the exterior, come on up and look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. The power comes from the fresh-built 454 with snowflake intake, a new 4-barrel carb. It's dressed in the chrome valve covers and the air cleaner with the new element. Everything under the hood is as clean as a pin and looks better than the day it came off the showroom floor. The firewall and the inner fenders are slick. It comes with power steering and power brakes with a disc on the front. To keep it cool, it has a new aluminum radiator. The 454 runs through the Muncie 4-speed and 12-volt rear end. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Chevelle with me. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media. I'll see you soon.